If you want money, you only have to do one thing. It's a one thing some of the wealthiest people on the planet have done and are doing. It's a one thing that will bring money to anyone who does it, but at the same time most people will fear doing it. What is that one thing? What is the one thing that works for everyone? Give money away? That's right. Give it away. Give it to people without expecting them to return it, but give it knowing it will come back to you multiplied from some source. I'm talking about you giving money so you will receive more money. If there is one thing I think people do wrong when they practice giving, is they give too little. They hold on to their money and let it trickle out when it comes to giving. And that's why they aren't receiving. You have to give and give a lot to be in the flow of life to receive. Think of the person who have inspired you over the last week, who made you feel good about yourself, your life, your dreams, or your goals. Give that person some money. Give them something from your heart. Give without expecting a return from that person, but do expect a return. As you do, you will see your own prosperity grow. Try it and see.